Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you how to manage map in Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. In the beginning, make sure that your smartphone is connected with car via Bluetooth and then enter Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Now, swipe left and here we've got the Google Maps. Enter it and now you can zoom in, zoom out, recenter and go to settings. Here you can enable traffic, satellite map, map colors, change map orientation, and change navigation volume. In the end, you can manage route options. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.